Hi guys, just been to my daughter's house and she's given me this to have a look at. I'm 99% certain, in fact 100% certain, I've had to do work on this one before. You slide it open and it should light up, and there was a switch that I think it had actually been pushed out of place or something. It certainly wasn't working. I think all I had to do was relocate it at the time. Oh, come on. She said it wasn't working. Oh, no, you're kidding me. I didn't try it out when she gave it to me. It's working fine. I can see she hasn't got the base screwed on properly. That's cross-threaded. But I don't think that was the issue. Aha, right. Not working now. Oh, I'm glad about that. Otherwise we'd have nothing to talk about. I expect it's the same problem though. There we go. Working, not working, working, not working. It's got to be the switch, isn't it? Unless it is just these batteries not making good contact. A little bit of corrosion just there. Zoom in on that. I should think that's all it is. I have to spray some of my contact cleaner on there or something. Or put some grease on it. Yeah, it's that one, isn't it? Now let's zoom out again so you can see what I'm doing. As soon as I put my knife across the contacts, it's working. Yeah, I'll clean that up. And I mean, clearly there's rust all around here, so it's been sitting somewhere and got wet and corroded. Spray it with contact cleaner, but I think I'll probably put grease on it. Quite an expensive spray this, but I bought it quite a while ago when somebody suggested it to me, and I've used it occasionally. Yeah, it's got to be that one. Give it a little bit of a bend as well to put a bit more pressure on it. Yeah, like I say, I'll put some grease on there as well, just to stop the rust coming back. But that would appear to be it. And last time we actually had to take the base out because when you lift that up, there's a little switch contact that makes contact when you lift it. And that had been misplaced, probably by some young person, pulling it open and shut lots of times until it stopped working. That's just a guess. But that certainly seems to have fixed the problem now. Just clean the battery contacts. Well, that appears to be it. So that can go back. Ozark Trail, outdoor equipment. Well, if it's outdoor equipment, those screws really shouldn't go rusty, should they? Under any circumstances. Gives a nice light. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.